Hi guys, so as we're already seeing, time is just a few minutes before 10, and today is Saturday. I would be eating potato and tea today. Yeah, this potato is a lot healthier than the regular bread that we eat and I've been eating. So I will be going for up to 200 grams of potato just to feel a bit fuller this morning. And then 200 grams of potato is not even up to half of what I get from only 150 or 160 grams of bread. As you can already see, this full potato is 378 grams, so I'll just start by dividing it into two. So this is 217 grams, and this 217 grams should, when I slice it, should amount to just around 200 grams or less. Okay, so I'll please slice now. Alright, so I've rinsed the potatoes. I'll just put them in the boiling water in the pot. Yeah, and I won't be adding anything, no salt, no pepper, no oil, no nothing. I'll be eating it plain with my cup of tea, just as I do with bread. So it's just like a substitute for bread and a very, very healthy one at that. Yeah, this 195 grams of potato now would not be up to half of your 150 grams of white bread, or maybe just about half of it. So you see, it's a very good way to maintain that calorie deficit you so require to lose weight. Okay, so my potato is almost ready. I'll just quickly prepare my tea. It's coffee, and as we've seen from previous videos, coffee doesn't um, has zero calories. So okay, so it was 192 grams before I boiled it, and now it is 202 grams. So that's just perfect for my breakfast. Okay, I'll go and have myself a beautiful breakfast now. Okay, so the time it took me almost 30 something minutes to prepare this. So I'm eating by almost is 10:35. Okay, so that's cool. So I just had my breakfast, and as you can see, time is 10:50 p.m., almost 11. Yeah, it's a good time to have a breakfast.